Welcome back to another live stream. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you guys are excited, man. We have another interesting day ahead. The market's up a little bit in the pre-market here. I know a lot of you guys were very confused as to what in the actual motherfuck was going on with futures last night. It's rollover. Those of you guys in the master tier, I mean, I sent you guys that little announcement about kind of what's going on with rollover, how it works, when you really need to do something. But yeah, you're going to see slightly different prices here. When we go through these rollover periods, guys, I kind of don't do a whole lot. I mean, I probably will still trade it, but I'm not going to be like there are a couple of days next week where it's going to be a little funky. But this morning we do have some economic data coming up. Wholesale inventories at 10. That could move markets around a little bit. We have Mary Daly speaking at 11. And then 3 p.m. we have consumer credit, but absolutely nobody should be trading at 3 p.m. on a fucking Friday. So we will see what happens here. We got what? AMD and NVIDIA over here. AMD's up a little bit. Nancy's still slightly in the red. What do we got? Tessie slightly up. Facebook up a little bit here. And that's really it. All right, guys. Keep calling out your tickers. And if you have any trading questions whatsoever, let me know. That is what these pre-market streams are for, to make sure that you guys have all the tools that you need in order to take advantage of the day. Shout out to you guys that have been following along on Instagram. You guys saw, I think it was the biggest trade that I've recorded for you guys. It was like $2,300 over there on Instagram. If you guys do want to check that one out, make sure you guys are following me over there. We are growing super fast over there. So make sure that you guys are over there too and not missing anything, because those videos are packed full of info for you guys as I'm in those trades. But again, keep smacking that like button on the way in, team. Let's do it. Let's do it. I know Glenn's in here this morning again. What's up, buddy? Fucking down $9 this morning after he made like $1.3 million on AMC puts this week. Attaboy. Attaboy. There you go. Take advantage of what the market gives you. Let's see. Your best friend wants to trade 2 Skittles for a Reese's Cup. I'm not sure that's a good trade. I think if you get the Reese's Cup, I think that's the best trade deal of all time. 2 Skittles per Reese's Cup. I don't know what kind of fucking currency conversion you got going over there, but I'm here for it, man. I'll give him a whole bag of Skittles for like 30 fucking Reese's Cups. I'm fine with that. Yeah, so Facebook still looks interesting. I want to see. All right, I need to look at I think it might even be the weekly now that you're looking for the flip. Yeah, I mean, so remember yesterday in the pre-market how we were talking about coming down to this 48 and bouncing off of it? That was kind of scenario one, which it did end up playing out. What I would really like to see today is a recapture of this 13 EMA on the daily. That would give me more confidence into sending you guys a little bit of a swing list next week. If that doesn't happen, I mean, I'll create the swing list. And then probably going to be I'll just kind of keep it in the back burner until we start to see what we need to see. This is the weekly time frame. The weekly looks interesting here, coming down, bouncing off of this 13 and coming back to the upside there. Throwing this on the 5-minute again. We're again, everybody that's in here, the 2 main things that you all need to focus on going into each and every market day is those 2 things that I talk about every single day: the trend and where is it respecting. Those are the most important. If you don't do anything else, those are the 2 things that you guys need to realize playing along with the trend. What's up, bro? How am I doing today? I'm doing fucking great, David. How you doing? It's a Friday. We get to come print money in the market out of thin air by just me clicking a couple buttons on my computer. It's fucking great. I love this shit. Let's see. 10-15 second countdown. Maybe we could. I don't really say anything too important in the first 10-15 seconds. I just kind of rambling like a crazy person. But guys, make sure that you guys are not slacking on the like button over here. Keep smacking it on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with these algorithms, man. Also, that live trade video of like $2,300 is on YouTube as well here if you guys want to go check it out. Let's see. I mean, I'm not looking at a whole lot here. Just want to see where this trend wants to go and then play using our GoldenEye charts. That's it. It's super simple. GoldenEye BJ key levels, we're good to go. You guys see it. I mean, the trade that I took yesterday, I'll show you guys where it was. This one, sniped the fuck out of this. This was a quick, easy boom, $2,300 right here. Nice little long signal. You get the 2-minute GoldenEye flash to the upside here, and then just off to the races to these TPs here. That was epic. Then you get the short signal, but you probably wouldn't have taken that because the trend is flipped. You get another long signal here. You get a short signal that's breaking the trend. I mean, dude, these charts are just short signal down to here, long signal up to here, short down, long up. Like, look at this, dude. Again, remember, those masterclass prices are headed up very soon. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. But for those of you guys on the sidelines and you want to come in and join us in some of these pre-market streams, get access to some of the alerts and some of the educational videos, what do you call it? The QR code on the screen and the link at the top of the live chat gets you access completely free. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. Terry, am I trading Z contracts today? No, I'm trading the U's still. Let me pull up Ninja though, because I'll look at Let me look at Ninja. The last time I was on Ninja and they were yelling at me, they were like, "Oh, it's like a volume thing." Nah, I think they're still fine. I don't see anything on here, and it does still look cleaner on the U's. So I'm gonna trade the U's until the broker tells me to switch. That's just me. When should we start trading Z's? When the broker tells you that there's more volume on the Z's than there is on the U's. Because that's when you want to switch. Because then it flip-flops. Like then nobody's trading the U's and they're switching to the Z's. Let's see. Does it really matter? I mean, as you get closer to next Friday, no. You can just go with the Z's, but once it flips, I just kind of be done with it. I mean, maybe you'll see more options trading videos next week out of me if again, you always have the opportunity to just sit it out and just wait until not next Friday, but the Monday after next Friday to just go trade the Z's because then the U's aren't going to exist anymore. They're going to be gone. Oh, also Tyler, I saw your message earlier today. I know exactly what happened. And this was not like a gift from God. What you did was you didn't cancel an order. So like you were probably shorting something and you had a buy stop and something hit, you took profit, but the buy order was still there from either that trade or a trade before. So when it hit and it kept going, because you have to cancel your orders. Unless you're using like a OCO, one cancels the other, but that's what happened. It happened to me a few times when I started paper trading it. Like just in the very beginning, like when I was going for it, I was like, "Oh, yeah, got to be careful of this." Can you talk about how to choose the right strike price and date? Wonder where your process is for that. For day trading or swing trading? There's a difference. And it depends on what I'm using. If I'm just going pure traffic lights, there's a difference. If I'm trading the breakouts, there's also a difference. So I can do all of them if you want me to, but all right, guys, we are 10 likes away from 50. I appreciate you guys. Keep smacking that on the way in. We are going to have another great day here. Morning team, back from vacation. Let's get it. Day trading. Okay, so for day trading, I'm getting usually at the money strikes or 1 to 2 strikes out. That's all it is. If I'm day trading, like there's no reason for me to take a wildly out of the money. Like it doesn't make any sense. So it's just the rules that we teach you guys every single day in the curriculum. And those of you guys that are in with us for free right now, those of you guys that have that freshman tier, you get access to, I believe, 5 or 7 videos and a couple of live streams as well. But there are boatloads more videos once you guys upgrade into premium. So make sure that you guys are doing that. Remember, the premium is going to be going up once Trade 1348 University is live. So if you want to lock in that low price that you guys have now, make sure you guys are in there with it. Must have been after the trade yesterday because it would have filled during your trade. You must have accidentally clicked something on the chart. Yeah, that's possible. It happens. Like you got to make sure that once you hear a sound, you just exit, cancel, because then it cancels everything. It happens, dude. It's fucking scary. Like I did it one time and it was overnight and I was like, oh no. And I was fucking around. Like when I first started, like I was like, all right, I'm going to actually go for it with futures. I was like just fucking around with them. And I had like a giant order out there that got filled. And it did the opposite of what happened to you, Tyler. So good thing it was paper and I was able to learn that before. But yeah, I mean, that happens. It was like, oops, fuck, auto. Like it was not good. I was like, are you kidding me? Then I figured it out and then proceeded to triple that account in a week. So yeah. All right, man. Let's have a good day today. So any tickers that you guys want to take a look at, keep calling them out for the pre-market here. Dude, it is like dark and fucking rainy today. Sorry. When Jay trades something like SPY and you 0 day, do you look like a weak? I mean, I trade 0 day SPX if I'm going for it. But that's just me. Like, and again, it's the sliding scale of risk. Like in those trades, I don't have a giant like position at all. I'm not going in with 10% of my account. That's insane. I go in with like 2 to 3%, maybe at the max with those 0 day SPXs because they can triple really quick. Boston has a hurricane coming today? What? We have a fucking hurricane? That's gotta be cap. Bro, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Whoa, that's insane. All right, hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm getting a quick phone call. Okay, we're back. Sorry. SD's house flies away midstream. Bro, if somehow my building flies away, that's insane. It's also supposed to rain for like the next 4 days. That's bullshit. I hate the rain. Extended car warranty call? No, it was not. I told my buddy I had a present for him this morning, and then I told him what it was, and then he had to call me because he loves these types of presents. Let's see. So the VJ levels, the yellow ones mean strong, blue means weak. No. Yellow ones mean they've been invalidated, sort of like we've crossed through them. Blue means that they're pure, clean levels, that they haven't been breached yet. That video would go viral. Well, it would, and I'd also be dead. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it. All right, team. Let's see. Yeah, keep calling out tickers. Tassie coming up here a little in the pre-market house. Facebook coming down. Facebook was weird yesterday. I don't know what the fuck this was. That was a bit ridiculous. Let's see here. But yeah, for those of you guys still sitting on the sidelines here, I mean, again, you guys see the QR on the screen. You want to come join us for free, man. Get alerts for free. Get a little bit of learning education for free. Here you guys go. We want to make sure that you guys have everything that you need for your eventual journey into our masterclass where we take things a lot further. So we're opening some of our things up to a lot of you guys. So there you guys go. QR code on the screen, link at the top of the live chat. You want to come in there for free? Go for it, man. Scan that QR code and you guys can come into Print City with us. Rivian. I actually haven't taken a look at Rivian in a while. What's up with this beast? Ooh, okay. What's it at? 23. Wow, this thing fucking held up. Well, oh, oh, don't you do this, Rivy. Oh boy. Yeah, okay. Okay, thanks for this. I actually like this. This goes flat and just like next week I might touch it. Sorry, I didn't mean to say it like that, but yeah, I kind of like this. If it just goes flat here, just flat line, do it. I know you want to do it. But yeah, I mean, last time I traded Rivian was back in here, and I traded Leaps and was still up like freaking 500%. So that was a fun one. That was like back in July when I really was running it up with the swings. That's when everybody gave me the Swing King title. I like the flat ones. Fuck off. Stop. This is why we can't have nice things, guys, because I say one thing about a chart and you guys are like, you just get like some random stuff. Even Moto yesterday was doing some, random stuff under one of the images that I like posted for you guys in Market Talk. And I was like, Moto, stop. But yeah, I don't hate Rivian here. If it can consolidate and hold this 200 EMA and then break above some of these ranges here, like 2370, I would not hate that. If it does it today, I mean, I wouldn't hate it as well. You've got an interesting setup here on the market. UPST. I mean, I already drilled that one for what? 200? Was that a 200%er? I think it was. Some of them are quick. Like I hit them and like it's almost a day trade on the breakout. Like this candle looks really shitty, but like I made a bunch of money on this candle. Don't bring me into this. You have a question about GoldenEye. If I'm using it on the 5 minutes, do I enter if the color change is confirmed, risking color change back to the level, or do you wait for the GoldenEye signal? Okay, great question, Daniel Mitch. Great question. And how we're going to do that is this. We're going to look at the 5 minute from yesterday, and I'm going to explain this to you because it's very, very, very simple. So when I see this, look at what you see here with GoldenEye. You see a nice extension move to the upside. Now, one of the confluences that it's using in order to give this short signal is RSI. So when RSI is crossing below these moving averages here, well, it can then give that short signal. But since you've made such an aggressive move to the upside here, well, you can also say that GoldenEye itself is a good short signal. Now, here's why. If I were to just sit here and wait for the short signal on this candle, where is the risk? That's a long position. Where is the risk and where's the reward? Well, at the top of this candle here, the risk above that high is about 3 points coming all the way back down to here, which is about 7.5, a 2.5 to 1 risk to reward. Not bad. You can still trade that, and that's a pretty good risk to reward there. 2.5 to 1, that's awesome. But if you're looking for it in here when the color changes, well, how's the risk to reward looking like then? Well, you're getting it somewhere on this candle, and instead of having 3-point risk, you have 1.5 points of risk. You can target even some of these levels down in here and still have higher risk to reward. And then second take profits coming down even further. So that ends up being a 6 to 1 instead of about a 2.5 to 1. That's why that I say you absolutely could use that GoldenEye switch as your entry with stops just above those highs, or you could wait if you're more comfortable down here. But what you don't do, sorry, Ryan, for coming at you like this. What you don't do is wait for this thing to come all the way down here and then hold on. Then do something. I did it again. Then do something like this, where you're just like, YOLO, fuck it. Like, that's not what you do with GoldenEye. Does that make sense? Like, sometimes the moves are just going to be overextended, and the GoldenEye signal is a great one. Vertex? Pharmaceuticals? Don't want this. I don't like this. That makes perfect sense. Perfect. CrowdStrike and Splunk. Sorry. This made a nice move. This really wouldn't qualify for me. I mean, you could have traded it with GoldenEye here. Splunk. No. Splunk, I need it to really flatline because this just went on a... I mean, the earning strategy with this would have printed big time. Playing those gaps up, but yeah, nothing on that now. I mean, you're just calling out big movers, which is fine. New subscriber, how do you get GoldenEye to show up? OMG, Jeremy. So GoldenEye is reserved for our masterclass members. So if you do want GoldenEye in the master streams, all the additional charts, all of the additional masterclass live streams that we give you, you do have to be a masterclass member. Now, for those of you guys that are in here that are masterclass members, let Jeremy know about what your experience has been like in the overall master program. Remember, those masterclass prices are going up upon the release of the Trade 1348 University, the new learning curriculum, the new educational app that we are bringing out to you guys. So those of you guys that are in there, let Jeremy know what your experience has been like in masterclass. I mean, we all know it's fucking insane what we do in there, but it's probably more powerful hearing from some of you guys. You must achieve your 00 status. Yeah. So you wait for overextended moves, then you can use the GoldenEye color shift instead of the signal since there's more of a probability of the trade playing out. Yes. Got an estimate on the university sign up? A rough estimate. Yeah. I have a rough estimate. I'm not going to say it right now, but I have it. I don't want to, because then if I say it, you guys are going to be like, well, it's this date. And it's like, well, I mean, it's a rough estimate. Thanks, SV. No problem, Jeremy. But yeah, all you masterclass members, let the people know what your experience has been like in master. I know a lot of you guys have completely changed your trading for the better once you've been in there. I know 2 of our masterclass members, one of them was Jason, $8,000 into $1 million. And then one of them was Josue, making from the last time that I heard, like $300,000 in a month with prop firms. The 2-minute GoldenEye would have been better yesterday. Yeah. If you're a master, will you automatically get the university? You'll get everything in the university. You'll get everything in it. Whereas some other people may only get one of the streams of courses or one of the other things unless they want to buy it a la carte. But yeah, I know we got a lot of masters in here. Let the people know. Let Jeremy know. Get the lifetime, you'll make your money back. Yep, there we go, GBZ. Today made a 2.5K on ES pre-market. Thanks, 1348. Might be paper trade, but the skills remain with me. There you go. Can you try master for like a 14-day trial? No, you can't. Master is the best for sure. Ice Tim, appreciate you, buddy. Is wholesale inventory at 10 going to move the market around? You think a little bit, nothing too insane though. Jeremy, we do offer a 2-day trial, but it's reserved for the people that have been with us for a while that are kind of ready to journey into master. So eventually, if you're a premium member, you will get access to that. But by that time, the prices will already be much higher. Best money you'll ever spend. Masters is worth it if you're serious about trading. There you go, guys. Palantir. Yeah, I mean, I have it up on the screen right now. I've sold some puts on that thing this week that are probably going to do good. Let's see. Noted. No problem, Jeremy. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way. Dude, we've got like over 100 of you guys in here that haven't hit the like button yet. You freaking slackers. You slackers. Let's see. But yeah, you get the midweek master classes where we go. Well, I could basically pick a topic and just go super in depth with it and make it very, very, very simple for you guys. You get the Gabe live streams every single morning. I come on there Tuesdays and Thursdays, the Sunday master classes, the upgraded charts, all of the new products that we release before they actually get released to everybody else. You're going to get access to every single thing that is going to be on Trade 1348 University, which is going to be a lot. Do you make calls and puts every week for Palantir? Not sure what you mean by that. What do you mean, do I make them? Let's see. Masters also get futures alerts. Yep, with GoldenEye. Good morning. Stop by to slap that like button before heading to masterclass. There you go, Michael. Yeah, and also, guys, so this pre-market stream is going to conclude in a little bit. Not right now. In a little bit here. And then I'm going to send you guys the link in daily live streams. That's where the market open stream is going to be. I can't do it right now, but right after the stream concludes, be on the lookout for that market open stream going into the daily live streams channel in the Discord for you guys. We follow rules and play the chart. Yep, we do. Yeah, SPY's looking interesting this morning here. A lot of things are looking spicy. Tessie turning up here a little bit. Crazy how I've been here for over a year. The amount of knowledge I've gained is crazy. Awesome, Tyler. There you go, buddy. Should we be trading the next ES expiration date after September now? Not really. You have to wait until the volume, like the broker will tell you. But go read the pinned message in Futurama. And I kind of break it down in there in a nice little paragraph for you guys. Do you think you look at SMCI? Yeah, I can actually. This thing's kind of been struggling, I think. Yeah. Not setting up yet. It's not getting there yet. I need it above some of these EMAs to go flatline. Like all the like the 13, 24, 48. I want it to consolidate up in here and then get a nice break to the upside. I'm not touching that here though. Let's see. So is there no more streaming for members but not master? Nope, you're getting streamed for both. You're getting streamed for both. Same thing that we've been doing all week. Everything I've learned from masters is so embedded in me. Even if I take off trading for a month, which I have done, I still come back and kill it in the market. It's an amazing investment that changes you. Fuck yeah, Bariqua. But yeah, Christopher, we get these public pre-market streams and then we transition into all of you monthly guys. for the stream at like 9:35 every single day. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we don't have that because I'm on the master stream, which is also happens every day. Do I write them? I mean, I sell a lot of puts on Palantir. Just cause. Why not? Free money. Fortinet is on a run. So Infamous, I don't really. So here's the thing. I don't care that the stocks are on a run because then that's chasing. And we went over this in the master stream yesterday, the kind of basics of the like I don't want to it's like a breakout strategy that I've put another spin on with our traffic lights. So you look for that consolidation in those tight ranges and you wait for those traffic lights to show up and break levels. So, but that's also going to be in the Trade 1348 University learnings as well. Keep the AMC clowns at bay. Yeah, that's what we need to do. All right, guys, we are 13 likes away from 100. I appreciate you. Why does your chart on TradingView look different to TradeAvate? Well, when it rolls over, this switches. So it's calculating based off the ESZ, but not you yet. But you can see it's probably, I mean, the price action is going to look very similar, but I'm going to be trading, I think the U's today. I got to look. I'm going to watch it at market open, kind of see what happens. But this is kind of the time where I kind of like take a step back, like take a week off and I'm just like, all right, well, there's rollover. Just kind of let it burn, like don't do anything. I may not be a master classman, but I'm a 1348 OG, join 1348 or portfolio die. There you go, winning loser. And Jay's Glass, much love. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you guys. When are we gonna have a 1348 conference? I don't know. We could have one next year, probably. We could do something like that next year. Oh, yeah. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram as well. Short the VIX1. That's where you guys are going to see all of those live trading videos there. I know a lot of you guys have really, really enjoyed those so far. Yesterday, we posted one. It's on YouTube as well, but it's on Instagram. 2.3K in one trade. Pretty good, man. Not bad. Not bad. Those numbers are just going to keep going up. I was talking to Gabe yesterday, and I think I got something that's going to pump those numbers up a little bit. Tesla getting killed now? Well, that's weird. Well, that's strange. That's suspicious. That's weird. Again, guys, trend to respect. The two main things, I know I say this in the beginning of these streams, the two things, if you fail to do anything else, if you fuck up everything else in the market, the two things that I want you to identify when you're going into the market every single day, first, where is the trend? And two, where is price respecting? Is it an EMA? Or is it levels coming up, higher highs, higher lows? And those are the two things that you really, really need to be in tune with. Again, that's what we've spent the last 2 weeks going over in midweek masterclass with you guys, and it's helped you guys out a whole lot. And that's what I look for every single day. Every single day. But guys, it is 9:29 in the morning. We are going to be wrapping this pre-market stream up and heading over to you premium members for the market open stream. And for those of you guys that want a taste of the free educational videos, some of the alerts, access to a couple of the channels in the community, so that you guys have everything that you need to start really, really taking your trading journey seriously, you guys can hop in completely free to the Discord today. Using this QR code on the screen or the link at the top of the live chat. We're excited to see you guys in there and start really, really taking your trading journey seriously. But I will see all of you guys in about 5 minutes here. I'm sending you guys the link in daily live stream, so get ready for that. I'm sending it right after I click the button off on this stream. Peace.